Something was walking under my room, but the cops said the house was empty. I've never posted anything like this before, and honestly, I'm not sure why I'm doing it now. Maybe I just need to get it off my chest because it's been stuck in my head for years. When I was about 15, my parents both worked late. I'd get home from school, make myself dinner, and hang out alone until around midnight. It never bothered me. I actually liked it. I could play music, watch movies, do whatever I wanted. We lived in an old house, built sometime in the 1920s. You could always hear it breathing. The floors creaked, the pipes groaned, the wind got in through the cracks. It was just part of the background noise. That Friday night, my parents went to a late movie.